Guys, in today's video, we are going to learn how to choose who notifications are sent to. Let's get started. On your site's dashboard, go to Blog, then go to Posts. Here, click on the More Actions button at the top right and select Blog Settings. Under the Manage Your Notification and Email section, click Manage. Here, you should see all of your custom automations. If you've previously created an automation to send a notification to your readers every time a blog post is uploaded, you could find that here. If not, you can just simply create a new one from scratch. You can use a template, or if you can't find a template, you can start from scratch. So we're going to rename our automation first. We're going to call it Notify Readers When New Post is Published. So first, we're going to select a trigger. So the trigger is what initiates the automation. In this case, when a new blog post is published, you can find your triggers right over here on the left panel. You can also tweak additional settings like trigger once per person and indicate other specifics right over here. Then click on Apply. Now it's time to add the action, or in this case, what happens when the trigger is set off. So we're going to click on this pulsating plus button and click on action. So what would you like to happen when a new blog post is published? Since we'd like to notify them, we can either send them an email or send them a push notification. That would depend on you and what you'd like to happen. In my case, I'm just going to send a simple push notification. Now that our action's been added, it's time to tweak its settings right over here. So for the recipient type, you can select who you'd like to receive your notification, specifically this notification. In my case, we're going to select contacts. By the way, this action is only available with a mobile app premium plan and when your app is live in stores. So yeah, this is just a demonstration, but in order for you to successfully run this automation, you should upgrade to a plan that supports these requirements. Anyway, additionally, you can set specific recipients over here. So you have contact from Trigger by default. And if you'd like to add more, click Add Recipients and you can select which ones from here. Could be your blog followers, contacts, contact labels, contact segments, etc. Now, since we selected to have or to send them a push notification, input your push notification title here. For example, new blog post. And then input your message here as well. Additionally, you can add a dynamic value over here, such as the receiver's name or something, to make it more personal. Anyway, select a notification topic now. Set your notification behavior as well. So in our case, we'd like it to open in a specific page in the app. In this case, specifically our blog page. Alternatively, you can also select a link instead, but since we are notifying them of a new blog post, it would make sense to direct them to our blog page. Once you're done, review all of your settings to make sure everything's correct. Once all good, click Apply. And our action has been set. So now we're going to click on Activate in order to start running our automation. And there we go. Our notification is now active and running. And you can also see it right under the Custom Automations tab. You can view this or edit this anytime you need to. And that's it. Hope this video was helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.